A spaceman came traveling from his ship from afar. It was light years of time since his mission did start, and over a village he halted his craft, and it hung in the sky like a star, just like a star. He followed the light and came down to a shed where a mother and child were lying there on a bed. A bright light of silver shone round his head, and he had a face of an angel, and they were afraid. Then the stranger spoke. He said, "Do not fear, I come from a planet a long way from here, and I bring a message for mankind to hear." Suddenly the sweetest music filled the air, and it goes alive. And goodwill to all men, and love for the child, and it goes peace and goodwill to all men, and love for the child. This lovely music went trembling to the ground, and many were wakened by hearing that sound. And travelers on the road, the village they found by the light of the ship in the sky, which shone all around. And just before dawn, the paling of the sky, the stranger returned and said, "Now I must fly. When 2,000 years of your time have gone by, the song will begin once again to a baby's cry, and it goes la la will begin once again to a baby's cry, and it goes la la the song will begin once again to a baby's cry, and it goes the stars moving somewhere, the time's nearly here. The song will begin once again to a baby.